Hi guys, this is Joe Jackson. In today's lesson, we'll talk about average rate change. Average rate change is talking about rate change between an interval. Here we have an interval 2 to 7. When interval, we refer to our x's. So 2 will be our first x, which is x1, and 7 will be our x2. Okay. So now we have the first x, x1, and we have 7 as our x2. Okay. Now we have to find our y. Okay. So our x also refers to as input. So if you input something in, we're trying to get the output out, and we're looking at this particular function. So I'm gonna put 2 into this x. Okay. So I get the output of y. So I got y equal to 128.5 raised to the second power. Okay, so y should be equal to 32. So I put 2 in, I have 32 coming out. So 2 and 32 is my first order pair. Now I have to find what I get when I put 7 as my input into this x. If I put 7 into this x, I have y equal to 128.5 raised to the 7th power. If I raise that to the 7th power, I get 7, and the output will be 1. Okay. So now I have my two order pair. 2 and 32 and 7 1. So I'm not done. I need to find my rate of change, my average rate change. So I need to use the slope formula of y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So my y2 is 1, and my x2, y1 is 32. So y2, 1, subtract 32 over x2, which is 7, subtract 2. Okay. So 1 subtract 32 will give you negative 31, and 7 subtract 2 will give you 5. So my average rate change between interval 2 and 7 will be negative 31 and 5.